4-2-3 ang format.
Sabado ng hapon. Tapos nagbalik ko
Super na. Okay.
Martes, naglaro ako. Ako lang lakas. Ilang taong ka na sir?
PDS pa rin tayo. 4 quarter pa babalik sa Gcash yung bola. Kaya na natin sa Jumble Gcash. 1-4-2-3 tayo. Okay, let's go, let's go. Okay, batong bakal. Ganda ng screen. Wala. Those ball, offensive rebound, Cecilia. Carrying the shot. Wala pa rin. Ayaw rebound, Joy. Number 22. Okay, easily. Okay. Good foul rep. Number 8. Second personal foul on number 8. Two free throws for number 19, Troy. Okay, Castro. Wala pa rin. Batong bakal. Batong bakal number 84. To number 8. Number 8, ganun na 28. Floater. Wala. Oh, shot lock. Nasa 14 lang yan. Shot lock nyo ha. Wala. Cecilia, nice shot, nice pass. 2 points, assist, number 58. 2 points, batong bakal, number 84. Number 33. Number 33 pa rin. Ay, double triple. Nakasas ka na dun eh. Bola. Turnover lang yan ha. Double team. Troy steal. Troy, counter steal. Batong bakal. Batong bakal. Crossover. Laban. 38. Fade away. Wala. Bola. Okay, 14 na reset. Batong bakal. Lace up. Wala. Deep Gcash. Number 22, Steve Sabi. Basket count. Nagkasama ang foul. Who's foul rep? Follow number 8. Third personal follow number 8. Second people, hold free throw number 22. Okay, stop down rep. So yan, batok. Okay, 7:53 tayo. Yato number 3. Yato, setting the play. Sevilla, shot clock 14. Yato. Uy! 12. Paul. Sige, Paul lang. 12 yun. 12, nakita ko na. Okay. Sabrep. Sautil.
Ako, yan na!
Pasok na. Okay, pasok ha. pass, nice pass to number 12. 2 points, assist number 22. Lead down to 5. Galacio number 9. Back to Galacio, back to number 9. Number 9, right baseline. Batong bakal, closer, 2 points. Nakakuha pa yung loose ball. Number 22. 22 pa rin. Oy. Foul, 13. Foul number 13, Galacio. Second personal foul. Shooting foul. Shooting foul tayo.
Stop daw.
Pag na-shoot boss, pag na-shoot yan. O, sobre. Okay na. Galacio. Galacio pa rin. To number 9. Number 9. Cross court. Yato for 3. De La Cruz. To number 33. Ako na naman. Number 84. Outlet. To number 9. Wait, nice see. Kita ni Red. Foul number 22. Warning foul number 22. Warning foul. Apat na boss. Third quarter pa lang tayo. Shot clock 17. Apat na. Shot clock 17 seconds. Top rep. Okay. Pangatlong table pa lang. Shot clock 14. 9. Galacio. Tumatumba ka. Luwala. Rebound. 76. Foul on number 13. Galacio. Warning for penalty. Third personal foul. Galacio. Third personal foul. Okay. Okay na. Ready. Number 22. Number 22. Well, you know what to do. Almost. Top rep. Shot clock 14 seconds. Out to it. Nakita pa yung bola. Nakita pa yung bola. Nakita pa yung bola. Relax na tayo. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. 8 seconds to shoot. 5. 7-6. Long pass. Good. Pass it down. Paso orasyon. Sila. De La Cruz. From side. That fade away. Shoot. Ibang Batong bakal. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Inatake na. Wala pa rin. Offensive rebound. Number 28. 2 points. Still 84 ulit. Crossover to number 9. Dish out. Galacio. To number 38. 2 points. Time out. Team Gcash. Gcash ball. Double digit lead, 45-35, 10-point lead, EDSL lead. Wala na Gcash, kasi wasil ko lang, EDS eh. Okay, ready? Number 7. Number 73. Uy, ang tunog. Continuation yun. One motion yun. And one. Follow number 9.
Ito pa lang.
Rebound number 38. Galasio 13. Piñato number 3. Batong bakal. Batong bakal. Kay Piñato. Shot clock 10 seconds. Galasio. Batong bakal 5. Short. Rebound. 37. 31. Uy, ganda ng speed. Pinoy set. Uy, foul. Penalty tayo. Foul. Number 3. Wala number 3. Yato. Second personal follow number 3.
Basket. Nice one.
Time out. EBS Elite. Okay, buti. Metik dalawa time out na kayo.
Ano mo doon? Pwede mo siya.
Okay, back to the whole game. Babak sa anin, 4 minutes 9 seconds. Wala nyo, hindi. Number 9. Front court to number 3, Yato. Yato, big. Behind the back, pass, away, steal. 17. Delacruz to number 31. Pass by number 3. Number 31. Shot clock 14 seconds. Number 31. 10 seconds to shoot. 31. 2 points. Sabah-sabah. Masay yan, no? Iwalay. Ayun. Okay. Okay na. Okay, galing na sa shoot yan, eh. Gano'n na. Number 9. Galasio, number 20. Galasio, Yato. Isa 10 seconds to shoot. Patumbakan, wala. Rebound, Gigas. Okay. Clock 20 seconds. Okay, bola. Kulang po. Number 7, nice break! Tapos. Okay. Foul number 3. On top. Sige, baso. Third personal foul Yato. 3 na, boss. Bakal. Number 84. Play number 9. Espela. Number 9. Open for 3. Short. Open for rebound. 84. Benny Miguel. 2 points. number 8. Number 98. Number 98, bounce pass, patumbangan, crossover. Patumbangan, yay, so, okay, ball. Osa, Brett. Okay, pasok. Pasok, bola. Number 31, apat na lang, oh. Oh, nice. So, number 76, nice pass. Out! Offensive rebound! Wala pa rin, pero merong foul. Number 98. Second personal foul, number 98. Oh, 14 lang ang shot lang nyo, 14 ha. 10 seconds to shoot. Uy, nice move. 31. Wala. Oh, shot lang 4 seconds. Shot lang 4. Oh, injury. Rating yun yun. Stop. Stop. Tayo mo, mamaya ba yan? Susunod lang kita. Stop, sige, pasok. Pwede na. Mayroon pa yung bola. Shot lang 4 seconds na. 4 seconds to shoot.
3, 2, go! Pare, dati lang.
Tungkol ba yan, ha? Number 31. Exactly 1 minute. Number 31. Shot clock 10 seconds. Number 1. Block. Okay, 6 seconds to shoot. 6 na segundo, ha? 5. Change possession. Number 98. Gabriel bukan spot. Shot clock 14. Number 9. 10 seconds to open. Patumbangan. Good. Oh, 14 lang. Set na 14. Oh, turnover. Number 31. Bumagsak. Good. Oh, shot clock kayo. 9 seconds. Pagpilay wala. Oh, wala. 15 seconds. 2 points. 10. Ayaw nyo, ha? 5. Sakto ba yan? 40. Okay. Let's go to the third. 5 points. 49-44. Dalawa tayo natin.